Hello, YouTube. This is an update from my last video. I probably either made it unlisted or private, but this will go through the basics and everything else much easier. Okay. So what you'll need is Unity Asset Bundle Extractor. That's the only program you'll need to download. It's on here. Actually, no, you don't do that. Go to Releases on GitHub, and then find the one that fits your operating system. 32-bit or 64-bit. If you don't know which one, I'd probably go with 64-bit because that's probably what computers use nowadays. I might be wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure these programs both work with 64-bit. If you have 64-bit, so if you're not sure, just get one. And once you have it, extract it, and you'll see this. Run the asset bundle extractor.exe. I have it pinned to my taskbar, so you don't have to pin it. You can just get rid of it after this tutorial. So what you're gonna do is navigate to your Pixel Gun 3D location, like where you keep the game. I'll show you how to do that too. Go to Steam and find Pixel Gun 3D. Right click it, manage, browse local files, and it brings you to here. And then click Pixel Gun 3D _ data. And that's how you get to where I'm at. So yeah. Do that in the Unity Asset Bundle Extractor by copying the address bar, going to the thing and replacing it. I'm already at it, so it did nothing. What you're going to do is select all of these. Just to be safe, you have to select all of them. You don't necessarily need to, but I don't know which one actually holds textures. What you're going to want to do is go to Shared Assets 1. This is where they store their skins. And for example, let's modify skin 6. So what you're going to do is download a skin of your choice. Download a skin of your choice and edit it. So I'm going to go on minecraftskins.com. So for example, we're going to use Apocalypse Steve. Now this has layers, but this can be merged. You can merge the layers to make one whole thing. So I'm going to copy the image and open up paint.net. Now you could do this with either any program you're familiar with or paint.net. You're going to want to crop. Now wait. If you're wanting to get these, like the thing on the skin, like the layers, I'll show you how to do that. So copy, create a new layer, and just gently move it up there to where the selection begins on the, like that. This is only if you want layers on your skin. If you have a skin with layers that isn't too dependent on the layers. So now we've got something. I'm not gonna do the whole skin. I'm just gonna show you an example of doing that. And what you're gonna do is now create a new layer and fill the background with black. And merge. Now we can save. Apocalypse Steve. Now we can get back to Unity Asset Bundle Extractor and pick one of these skins. We could do by name so we can find one. Now there's a lot of skins to go by, and make sure you're doing it by texture, so click type as well. So organize it by name and texture, I'm assuming. Now we can modify one, which is what I'm assuming is the newbie skin, the default skin. Now we're going to modify newbie. Also, a little disclaimer. People will have your custom skin if they are using the skin you modified. There's a way to make it so that doesn't happen after you load your skin. So I'll show you that at the end of the video. You want to edit in plugins, load, go to where you kept your skin. I'll do Apocalypse Steve. Press OK. Now it's modified. You're gonna want to apply and save all. Go to your Pixel Gun 3D data, which is probably the default for now, and save. Now go back to it in File Explorer, regular File Explorer. Now you're gonna want to name this shared assets 1.assets to original, and then go to go to the file you just created, and remove dash mod so that it is now loaded by the game. What you're going to do is boot the game up. So once you boot up your game, you want to do this. Go to, obviously, skins, create a skin, templates, and I did not modify the newbie skin. Huh. And the first one should be the skin you created, depending on what you replaced. So select, save. I'll name this Apocalypse Steve. And now I have my custom skin. And if you wonder what I'm laughing at this. And just to show you an example, so if I go to my friends, my friend here has a Hero Brian skin. Because he did what I did, and I don't know who this guy is, honestly. He's a mobile Pixel Gun user, so he had a custom skin on, assuming on Android. But this is my friend who's PC player, and he imported Hero Brian, doing what I did. So yeah. Now I'll show you how to get rid of those little pesky players getting your custom skin on your screen. So they won't see it. It won't be like, why do I have this skin? I'm not this skin. But to you, you'll see them having your skin when they really don't. If you know what I mean. If you know what client and server is, they'll kind of understand this. So close the game. Your skin's saved to the cloud now. So if you reinstall the game or remove this file and rename it, for example, rename this back to mod, and the original, make it so the game can use it, boot the game up, and you'll still have your custom skin. So this basically means the game won't have other people loading your skin on your screen. So yeah, still have the skin. I got rid of the file because now it's saved to the cloud. So it's like reinstalling the game. I'll still have this. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.